Hey curl friends, happy Wash and Go Wednesday on a Thursday this week, but we'll still be doing a new product combination for this super defined and hydrated wash and go. So hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. For today's wash and go, I'm starting off with clean hair. I first shampooed with the Pantene Complete Curl Care shampoo. I also did an Olaplex treatment, and then I followed up with the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Deep Conditioning Mask. I'll leave some links to all those products in the description box, as well as some reviews if you guys are interested on those wash day products. Now let's get into some styling. The first styling product we're going to be using today is the Verb Curl Cream. I actually found this in the back of my bathroom closet, so I think this is the first time I'm trying this product. I ended up really liking the scent and the consistency of this cream. However, it is on the thicker side, so I would recommend starting out with soaking wet hair. This is why you'll see me having to go back with my spray bottle and re-wet my curls, because the curl cream was so thick that it wasn't easily spreadable on damp hair. Next, I'm going in with my Denman brush, which I actually haven't used in a while, and I was pretty impressed with the results. So I'm just going through section by section and clumping the curls together and then scrunching. For the other side, I am going to go ahead and do the same steps, but I am going to add a bit more water to the curl cream just to make it a little bit easier to distribute throughout the hair. I wanted to show you guys a little bit more about the technique that I'm doing with my Denman brush. So basically, when I use a brush, I brush the curls up and out. This will create more volume and less flattening of the curls, especially at the roots. You guys are probably sick of seeing my favorite gel, but today I'm using my Ouidad Climate Control Stronger Hold Gel. Instead of breaking up the curl clumps that I've already created, I'm just taking a small amount of gel and running it over the hair. This is going to create a cast on the curls and help them set. Last but not least, I decided to use a mousse for a little more humidity protection for here in Florida. So today I'm using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I could tell that this Verb curl cream actually had quite a bit of hold on its own, so I probably could have just stuck with either just the gel or just the mousse, but I ended up loving the results with both. I went ahead and let my hair air dry for this wash and go, and these are the results after only a couple of hours of air drying. As you can see, we have no frizz, super defined and moisturized curls. Now these are my final results after my hair is 100% dry. My curls are super happy with this routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, leave me any questions down below, and can't wait to see you on my next Wash and Go Wednesday.